In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add an announcement bar on Shopify. Announcement bars are perfect for sharing promotions, updates, discount codes, or important information with your visitors. Let's get started. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Online Store. Next, click Customize next to your active theme. Once the theme editor opens, look for the announcement bar section on the left side panel and click on it. Now, you can edit the text for your announcement bar. Type in your message such as free shipping on all orders or 50% off today only. You can also add a link to the announcement bar. Click the link option and choose where you want visitors to go, such as a product collection, product page, or another page on your store. After selecting the link, customize the colors, text, style, and announcement bar settings if needed. Here are a few popular announcement bar ideas. Free shipping on orders over $50. Limited time sale ends tonight. New arrivals just dropped. Subscribe and get 10% off. Holiday sale now live. Once everything looks good, click Save at the top right corner. Now visit your Shopify store and you'll see the announcement bar displayed at the top of your website. That's it. You've successfully added an announcement bar on Shopify. Thanks for watching and happy selling.